Today I am going to show you how to make slime at home. For that we need 1 spoon baking soda, hot water 1/4 cup, Fevicol, watercolor tubes, and I am using sky blue. You can use your favorite color and make. And we need a bowl and a spoon to mix. So let's get started. First step is mix this 1 teaspoon baking soda into this hot water. Then mix with a spoon. Keep it as it is and let's start the next step. Next step is take the Fevicol and pour it into the bowl. Next we need to take the watercolor tubes and open it and pour it inside. After adding color, you need to take the baking soda with the water and take your spoon and slowly pour 2 times. After adding, mix well using the spoon. So you can see that you'll get a color slowly. See? Mix well and leave it for 10 minutes like this. Now let's see what happens to it. See? Actually it takes more than 10 minutes to get a form like this. See? It's like a slime. You can stretch it as much as you want. This is how my slime looks. Hope you all like my video. See you in the next video.